20 thoughts. Time is money. Character is destiny. Kindness costs nothing. Health is wealth. Charity begins at home. Experience is the best teacher. Delay injustice is injustice. Fortune favors the brave. Well beginning is the half done. Positive attitude creates positive peoples. Exuberance is a beauty. A good deed is never lost. Progress is the law of life. Good handwriting is the mirror of good learning. Slow but steady can win the race. The great artist is a simplifier. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Desire is the very essence of man. Education prepares you for the future. The pen is mightier than sword.